Workflow at a standstill because of the Autotune Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix Antares audio conflict for good. I've linked the primary utility for Autotune Library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Autotune Library, the core library for the Antares Auto-Tune pitch correction plugin. It handles real-time frequency analysis and localized formant-shifting for vocal tracks. If missing, the DAW will skip the plugin during the startup scan, resulting in an effect not found error when opening music projects that rely on vocal tuning. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. The Autotune Library DLL library is a specialized asset belonging to the Antares audio environment, and you must reinstall the host program that is displaying the error to ensure all internal dependencies are properly synchronized. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Autotune Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Manual intervention with Autotune Library DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining Autotune Library. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Autotune Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.